What inspired you to like go on and start the book? Because it's one of my favorite books by far. Like your story is incredible, but like everything that's in here, you tell your story, but you also give a ton of just easy, quick tips, practical tips, and then talk about all the recipes that you have in there, stuff like that.
Yeah, well, Victory Belt reached out to me and was like, hey, are you interested in doing a book? And I'm like, I don't really know if I'm capable. Like, this is like where the whole like fixed mindset like totally started like kind of coming back in. And I still like battle that sometimes. And I'm like, oh gosh, am I capable of doing this? Like, I didn't even cook until like a year ago. But then I kind of had to kind of get back and remember that a lot of people who are in the same boat as me are not gourmet chefs, and they don't want to make recipes that are like 20 ingredients long with like these huge long lists of steps. So I was kind of like, gosh, like if these recipes have kind of helped me because they're quick and they're easy, and like I have a family and I don't want to be in the kitchen all the time, like why not write a cookbook? But it is kind of funny because I don't love cooking. So it's like the most ironic thing ever for me to actually have done that. But I kind of do feel like it's really nice to show people how easy this can be, because I think a lot of times people come up with so many excuses of not having time. But like you've talked about before, which I totally agree with, is like we do make the time for things that we care about and are a priority. But I do think that there are ways to like spin it and make it easier. So that was kind of my goal with this book, is to say like there's so many amazing books that cover like so many levels of keto and the benefits, but I just kind of wanted something that was like a little bit more of like that first step for people who are just finding out about keto, who didn't want to be like really overwhelmed, who just kind of wanted to like tell me what to do and tell me how to start it.
Right.